Hello everyone, my name is Shiom, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, I just want to say you're welcome. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, I want to say kindly click on the bell button and make sure you subscribe. And today I'm going to be showing you how I got 100 subscribers in just 3 minutes. I mean it. I got 100 subscribers in just 3 minutes. So I'm going to show you what I did and how I did it. So let's go. Let me show you. So I'm going to be showing you from my phone how I did it. So here's my phone. Now let me go. Now, first thing you need to do, you need to go to your Play Store if you are using Android phone. Play Store. Then you have to download an application called Sub for Sub. Sub for Sub Pro. Here is the app, the first one, Sub for Sub Pro. Sub for Sub Pro. I have it on my phone already, so you just need to download it on your phone, and then once you download it, click on open. Now you have to register. If you are new, registration is free on the app. Just register, and now what you're gonna do next is click on favorite channel. Okay, you sign up your account. So now you click on go to. That means you want to watch this video. You watch this video for 60 seconds. You watch this video for 60 seconds and you will go back. You watch this video for 60 seconds, you subscribe, then you go back. Good. Now you have to click like and subscribe. Then you click on this arrow button to go back. So you go back and you get 10 coins. You see, subscribe channel successfully. So you have 10 coins. So you continue, skip this. And then you go again to another channel. All right, click on like, subscribe, then go back with this. That's another thing. I'll make it 20 up here. I have 20, so I'll skip this again. I'll skip it again, then click on go to. So 50 coins gets you 5 subscribers. So the more coin you are, the more subscriber you get. So I'm gonna show you. I want to get to 50 so that we can do. So I'm gonna pause this video and I'll come back once I get to 50. Alright, I have 50 coins here. I have 50 coins here. Now what I'm gonna do next is to click here to go back. Then the next thing I'm gonna do again is click on campaign. I want to campaign with these 50 coins to get people to subscribe to my channel, just the way I did for others. So click here, then that's because I have my URL here already, but if you're just doing it for the first time, it will ask you to put your YouTube link here. Just copy one of your video links, copy the link here and put it here. So I'm going to click on this one. So now let's check it out. How many coins do we need to get how many subscribers? Let's say you can see from the down part. Let me remove this. From the down part that says 5, maximum of 5, minimum of 5 to maximum of 1,000. That's what you can do. So let's see how many. Okay, let's say 5 subscriber, 50 coins. 10 subscriber, 100 coins. 20 subscriber, 200. 30 subscribers, 300. When you need 100 subscriber, you need 1,000 coins. So it's something you can do in a day. You can get 1,000 coins in a day, and you're good to go. You get 100 subscribers. Because I'm just showing you how to do this. So I'm just gonna do 5 for 50 coins. So I'm gonna click on save. Then I'll click on OK. So I can click on my campaign. You see, I have my campaign running now. So let's check my subscriber before it starts counting. Let's check my subscriber. So let me go back to my channel. Check it out. So I go to YouTube. So I have 147 subscribers. 147 subscribers. So let's check after the count of the campaign. So let's go check the campaign if it have take effect. Okay, not yet. So I'm gonna wait and check it. Let's refresh again. Okay, not yet. Okay, can refresh again. Okay, Okay, I'll pause this video and come back. So I'm gonna show you how many subscribers we've gotten. So let's say I have 140, 147. So we should get 152, right? 52 at the end of this campaign. We should get 152. So I'll be right back. All right, I have 4 or 5, so remaining 1. So let's check how many subscribers we've gotten. Can you see? We have 152 already. This is working. It's working. So we have 152. You know. See, 5 and 5. You know, from 147. 10 plus 5, 152. So that's how you grow your channel from 0 to 100 in less than 3 minutes. You're done. You've gotten 100. So thank you for watching this video, and please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell button to get notified whenever I'm dropping a new video every week. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye for now.